The Kpone landfill site is full and has to be shut down within the shortest possible time. The Public Relations Officer of the Accra Metropolitan Assembly, Mr. Gilbert Ankrah, disclosed this to our reporter Clara Mlano during a cleanup exercise in the Central Business District of Accra.
This is the Central Business District of Accra. Waste companies were busy at work at Makola, Okainshi, Tudu and railways, cleaning heaps of rubbish and tidying up the places. It is estimated that Accra alone generates about 3,000 tons of waste in a day. However, the Accra Metropolitan Assembly AMA said the volume of waste generated has reduced by 30% following decongestion exercises. It is said that the waste here is not generated by the traders alone. People in nearby communities allegedly dumped their rubbish here under the cover of darkness. In less than 30 minutes, the heaps of rubbish on the shoulders of the road were cleared. But the AMA is concerned about private waste collectors who also allegedly threw waste around. Currently, the Kpone landfill site is the only site where garbage is still being dumped after the other 43 landfills were closed. But the Kpone landfill is also almost full now. So what happens to the waste collected?
We currently don't have any landfill sites. The plan is to try and then ensure recycling. So that is why the Assembly has begun with the segregation of waste to educate and then encourage people to segregate waste. And we are looking at the bigger picture. Each and every day we clear volume of waste just like this, as you're seeing. So we are working around the clock.
Waste collectors working in the Central Business District have appealed to shop owners to register with the AMA and pay the required levy to enable the Assembly to perform efficiently.
We want to do the work, but payment for refuse collected is not encouraging.
Waste management in the country remains a Herculean task.